What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's vid, I will be doing the activities in chapter 10. So if you want to learn something about the chapter 10, so please stay tuned, and please like, comment, and share, and please uh, click the subscription button and the bell button for more videos. And I will be doing the activities in chapter 10. So I will be back, guys. What's up guys? So welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and for this video I will be doing the chapter 10 activities, and this is the first activity in chapter 10. So our first activity is entitled Application and Presentation or the Protocols and Standards. So the instructions is drag the appropriate protocol names and standards to the correct OSI and TCP or IP network locations. Then each protocol and standard will be used once on the OSI model and once on the TCP or IP model. So in our table here, under the OSI model, and the other table is the TCP or the IP model. So there are given protocol names and standards to correct OSI and TCP IP network. Then we will be dragging it to the corresponding location. So the given is the GIF, the POP, the IMAP, the TFTP, the JPEG, the MPEG, the DNS, the DHCP, and the HTTP. So for our application or the presentation or the OSI model, the presentation is the one that we can like the image, the slideshows, or more tools that we can use to present a image or another or something, a report or like that. And the application is like the it's rather than a presentation, but the application is like here in the POP or the IMAP, the HTTP and the HTTP. So we will be dragging it corresponding this appropriate protocol names to corresponding SI model. So the first one is the GIF. So the GIF is a image that or videos. So it can be in the presentation. So the POP or the POP is in the application. Then the next one is the IMAP. The IMAP also in application. Then the next one is the TFTP. So the TFTP is also in application. Then the JPEG. The JPEG is a picture, so it is in presentation. And the MPEG also. So the MPEG also is in presentation. So the DNS is in application. Then the next one is the DHCP is also in application. Then the last one, the HTTP, is also in application. So all these six protocol names, we will be dragging it to the TCP or IP model or in the application. So we will be first dragging the GIF, then the POP or the POP, then the next one is the IMAP, then the TFTP, and the next one is the JPEG, the next one is the MPEG, and the next one is the DNS, the next one is the DHCP, and the last one is the HTTP. Okay, so let's see if our answers is correct. Oh, it's correct. Then you successfully chose the correct locations for the protocols and standard. So under the OSI model, the first one is the application. So there's a POP, the DHCP, the TFTP, the DNS, the IMAP, the HTTP, Then the presentation is the GIF, JPEG, and the MPEG. So that is for our first activity entitled Application and Presentation of the Protocols and Standards. Okay guys, so for our next activity in chapter 10, so our second activity is entitled the DNS or the CLI commands in Windows and Linux. So the DNS lookup command, when configuring a network device, one or more DNS server addresses are provided that the DNS client can use for name resolution. Then usually the Internet Service Provider or the ISP provides the addresses to use for the DNS servers. Then when a user's application requests to connect to a remote device by name, the requesting DNS client queries the name server to resolve the name to a numeric address. So the computer operating systems also have a utility called NSLOOKUP that allows the user to manually query the name servers to resolve a given host name. So this utility can also be used to troubleshoot name resolution, then issues, and to verify the current status of the name server. So in this activity, in figure 2, use the syntax checker activity to practice entering the NSLOOKUP command in both Windows and Linux. So for this activity, we will be doing the DNS or CLI commands in Windows and Linux. So we will be typing here. So the first we will be typing is the NS lookup, then enter. So in our activity, the default server is unknown, but the address is 10.10.10.10.1, and the output lists the name and IP address of the DNS server configured in the client. So note that the DNS server address can be manually configured by or dynamically learned through DHCP. So you are now in NSLOOK mode. Enter the domain name www.cisco.com. So we will be typing www.cisco.com. So enter. Okay, so so the output lists the www.cisco.com related IP address that the server E144 currently has in its database. So notice that IPv6 addresses are also listed rather. In addition, various aliases are shown that will result to www.cisco.com. Enter the exit command to learn or to leave NSLOOKUP mode and return to the Windows command line. So you'll be typing exit. So you can directly query the DNS servers by simply adding the domain name to the NSLOOKUP command. So enter NSLOOKUP www.google.com. So you'll be typing NSLOOKUP www.google.com. So enter. So you are now working from Linux command prompt. So the NSLOOKUP command is the same. Then enter the NSLOOKUP command to begin a manual query of the name servers. Then enter www.cisco.com at the prompt. Then enter exit to leave NSLOOKUP mode and return to the Linux command line. So we'll be entering NSLOOKUP, then www.cisco Google www.cisco.com. Oh no, it's wrong. NSLOOKUP www.google.com. So it will be at NSLOOKUP, then www.cisco.com. And after the cisco.com, so we'll be putting exit. And as in Windows, you can directly query the DNS servers by simply adding the domain name and then nslookup command. So enter nslookup www.google.com. So nslookup and then www.google.com. So I successfully used the nslookup command to verify the status of the domain name. So that is our second or the last activity in chapter 10. So I hope you learned something from me, and I hope you got some information about the chapter 10. So guys, that's my video for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something, and I hope you get some information about the activities in chapter 10 and all about the topic in chapter 10. So please like, share, and comment, and please hit the subscription button below. So thank you guys for watching. See ya.